So we walk down here. This is all the stuff in the basement. Piled up pretty high. Lots of soccer balls. Trying to go slowly. Fire extinguisher. That's important. Leftover tiles. Also extremely important. Oh, Mike's coffee cup. Okay, might want to keep those. At least they're still in boxes. And now we go to... At least that comforter's still wrapped. There's the Bassinet Heirloom. Garment rack with a sheep herder hook. That's what that is. More pieces of my and Tommy's crib. And here we go. Videos of our own private, personal, old library. Tom's trike. Books. More books. R.L. Stine. That was a good one. What is this? I don't even want to know. Ugh. Ugh. Classic. Also, Corroded in Water Simpsons game. I'll bet the pieces aren't even in there. Okay, some Christmas stuff that can stay. The Mighty Gazelle. We need to get rid of this. Dad's 5 bajillion records. Table leaf, also corroded and molded. Patio cushions. Dad's signs from when Quick Pick went out of business, and he decided to keep those because he was going to put them up. Old speakers that are 3 times the size of the ones that are sold now. I don't even want to know what's in all those drawers. Something tells me we're going to have to sift through every single one of those. Oh. I don't even know if I can get around this to look at this. Okay. That's everything. There are the Christmas snowmen. Let's see if I can get through here. Portraits, screens, some kind of lantern lamppost that Dad can't bother to part with. Again, garment rack in the way. Oh, the lighting fixtures that Dad never put out on the lawn. Could totally throw those out. Oh, there's a sombrero, because we don't have 5 of them and need those all the time.